welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys another Ibotta haul. You guys, I am pretty much almost done with Ibotta for the month of May. It is only May 7th, and I pretty much am like, I think 2 or 3, 4 away from finishing level 4. I know it's crazy. I said May is going to be a great month with Ibotta. So if you guys haven't joined, do so already. I think once you redeem either your first rebate or your first rebate leading up to 10 bucks, you guys will get an additional $10 added to your account. Plus you guys get some bonuses, so definitely do that. I have the referral link below. If you guys also join, you guys get to be on my team, so that means you guys can get a better chance of hitting your levels. Now, if you guys are not on my team and you have a hard time hitting levels, or you don't have a lot of friends on Facebook that don't use Ibotta, or if you guys just, want to be on my team to see what I get, you guys can actually join my Facebook page. I have Deals by DesignerJen, which that's where I show you guys deals, but my actual Facebook page, I made a secondary Facebook page so you guys can friend request me. The link is below. You guys just friend request me. You guys will get you guys get to be on my Ibotta team. You will have to disconnect and reconnect your Ibotta account on the on your Facebook on your Ibotta app, but you guys get to be on the same team as me. You guys get to see when I, redeem certain things, and then you'll be like, oh, she's doing a video. Plus, I also will be posting like when I'm going to be going shopping and all that stuff, because I feel like I get to know you guys when I'm, your Facebook friend. But I know you guys don't want to hear me jibber jabbering, so let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got at Target. So I ended up getting some yogurt, because I thought I was just going to get it, because I'm like, should I get it here or should I get it at Walmart? So I ended up getting the Faye, or I don't even know how to pronounce this. This is the crossovers. This is lemon blended, low fat Greek strained yogurt with shortbread crumble. I'm like, okay, we'll try this. So this was $1.16, I think, for this one. You guys would pay $1.16 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 41 cents. So if you guys ever want to try yogurt, this is the best time to like try stuff, because like I'm afraid to try some of this stuff. I ended up getting the Faye total 2%. I'm not sure like what's all in this. I'm assuming this is the pear and this is the yogurt and you mix it in. I honestly don't know. It's just kind of weird. But this was $1.27. You guys would pay $1.27 for this, but then you guys would get a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta for this, making this just 52 cents. So got some great deals with yogurt. Now let's just dig in and show you guys what I got. Now I went and got Tic Tacs. Alright. Now these are actually on sale for 99 cents. They're on sale this week for 99 cents. You guys want to use those. I'm getting messages from you guys. Yep. You guys want to use those 50-cent off coupons that we got from a while back ago. You guys would end up paying 49 cents for this, but then with Target, you guys can get a 25-cent rebate. So 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. That's 3 different rebates, 3 different 25 cents. So you guys will end up getting these just for 24 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. Now, I did 2 different scenarios. They have the beauty deal. So what I ended up doing is on the Cartwheel app itself, there is a $5 gift card when you guys spend $20. So you guys can have the cashier scan that. You can also text beauty to Target where they'll send you a coupon. Or there is also a coupon in the Target ad. So if you guys want to do this deal 3 times, you can. You just got to do separate transactions and use those 3 different coupons unless you have several ads. The coupons from the ads then go with that. So the first scenario I ended up getting is the Neutrogena face mask and the Gray Away. I'm not even sure what brand this is. I've never gotten these before. So these were $8.99. There's a 25% deal off a Cartwheel. Plus, you guys want to use those $3 off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys would pay $7.48 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta times 2. So now there's a deal where if you guys spend $20, you get a $5 gift card. So I ended up getting the Neutrogena face mask. We have those $2 off coupons that we just got. Now I also had the Neutrogena acne away. So when I submitted my receipt, it popped up. So I couldn't get it off. There's ways to do it, but I couldn't remember how to do it, and I had my kid. So I ended up getting this for $2.59. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon. You guys would pay 59 cents for this. But then I got that $2 rebate deal on Ibotta. So all 3 of these with that $5 factor, I didn't even figure out like the whole price. I think it's like $8.20 something cents. But then you guys would get that $2.50 plus that $5 gift card. So you guys will end up getting all 3 of these for $1.92. But if your guys' Neutrogena thing came off also, then this ends up becoming $3.92 moneymaker. But still, $1.92 moneymaker, that is a great deal. If this resets, I'm probably going to do it again with the hair gray, the gray stuff, and then the face mask with those 2 coupons. So $1.92 moneymaker if you guys buy those 3 items. Now I did another transaction. I ended up getting the Clairol hair dye. The Natural Instinct hair dye. This was $6.99. I used those $3.50 off coupons on coupons.com. You guys would just get this for $3.49. But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta for that. I ended up getting another face mask. Again, this was $2.59. You guys use that $2 off coupon. This comes out to be 59 cents. And then I also got the Aussie Curls shampoo and conditioner. These were $2.99. I used that 2 off of 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up getting getting these for $3.98. Now some of you guys might have $1. I only have 50 cents, but you guys would get a 50-cent rebate for this and a different 50-cent rebate for this. So we got that on Ibotta. And then I also got the Bic Soleil Bella razors. Now these were $5.49. I used that $3 coupon that we just got from coupons.com. So you guys would pay $2.49. I did not add all this up. I don't know why I didn't do it. I was just in a weird way. But I'll add it up in the breakdown. Plus you guys will get that $5 gift card. You want to have them scan that first before they scan anything. So have them scan for that $5 gift card. So if you guys add all 5 items together, it came out to be $1.55 for everything. I don't know why I wrote 77 cents. I don't know why I did that. But it was $1.55 for all 5 items, if I did my math correctly. I don't know why I wrote 77 cents, but it's $1.55. So that is a pretty good deal. Now I've never gotten these before, and it is, you know, I don't know if it's allergy season anymore, but I've never really gotten great deals on coupons like this. But this is Rhinocort allergy spray. These were $13.99 a piece. Now we had those $10 off coupons that we got this past Sunday's paper. So you guys want to use 2 of those $10 off coupons. You get these bad boys for $7.98. But then you guys buy 2, you get a $5 gift card, making it just $2.98 or $1.49. So $13.99 to $1.49. I think that is a great deal. So that is a great deal that you guys can do. So yeah, that was my haul. I think Target was a little bit better this week. I mean, I've been kind of disappointed in Target lately. I feel like their deals have not been the greatest. But this week it actually was a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. So I'm just putting everything back right now so I can just put it all away. I am having a rummage sale this weekend to get rid of a lot of my stuff because I just need to start new. But I will be doing videos on that. If you guys have any tips for me, please let me know. But my total came to $31.67. No, it actually wasn't $31.67. I bought my son Tic Tac, so it was like $30 and like 10 cents, I think is really what it was. I ended up getting $12.25 back with Ibotta. I'm still waiting on my money. It's pending on that. I ended up getting 3 $5 gift cards, so that was 15 bucks in Target gift cards I got back. And then I finished level 3. It still hasn't updated, but I finished level 3, and I'll be getting $2 for that. I just needed 15 rebates in between my haul I did at Walmart the other day, and today I hit level 3, so $2 for that. So that's why I'm saying, you guys, it's only the 7th, and I've already finished level 3. That is a world record in my couponing history. So if you guys add everything together, I paid just $1.07 for all of those items. I got 15 items. That comes out to be 7 cents a piece. So if you guys did do the same exact haul as I did, please remember that Neutrogena coupon might not, or the rebate might not work for you guys. So you guys would end up getting everything for $3.07, which I still think is a great deal. But I like to share with you guys, you know, some great deals at Target, hoping you guys can do this soon. And let's all hit level 4. I am so excited. You guys are getting so excited that you've never hit certain levels, and you get to be on my team. It's a win-win situation. So yes, join Ibotta if you guys haven't already to be on my team. Also, if you want, Facebook friend me. You guys, even if you guys already are on my team for Ibotta, you can still Facebook request me, because I will be posting stuff like when I'm heading to Walmart or Target and all that random stuff. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you to each and every single one of you guys who support my channel and watch my videos. I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys for sending me coupons. I had 3 people who sent me mail today. I was so excited. I love getting mail. It's optional. I just get it so you guys can send me stuff. So I want to say thank you, Max, for sending me coupons. And somebody else sent me a coupon, but I cannot remember the name. I want to, Stephanie, I think you gave me a thank you note, and I cannot remember the name for the other coupons. But thank you, thank you, thank you. So I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.